Hey, this is Max with Aura, and today we're talking about how to avoid reverse mortgage scams. Many homeowners are looking to refinance their homes to unlock equity and gain some financial breathing room. But homeowners aren't the only ones eyeing their home's equity. Criminals are targeting homeowners, especially the elderly, with reverse mortgage scams. Reverse mortgage scams include schemes designed to trick you into signing over your home title. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about reverse mortgage scams, about how to identify them, and how to safely benefit from the value of your home. A reverse mortgage is a legitimate financial product available to homeowners over the age of 62. It allows them to take out money against the value of their home while continuing to live in it. Now, on the surface, a reverse mortgage sounds like a great deal, especially for homeowners who need financial help and don't have the credit scores for other types of home loans. But reverse mortgages can get complicated and expensive quickly, making them prime targets for scammers who want to trick you into deals that aren't in your best interest. So how do reverse mortgage scams actually work? Scams can involve phony appraisals of home values, inaccurate loan documents, false mortgages, high fees, and just outright theft. So here are the latest reverse mortgage scams to watch out for. Trusted family members applying in your name. 60 to 90% of senior citizen scams are committed by friends, family members, and caregivers. To access their victims' money, unethical family members or caregivers can coerce victims into applying for reverse mortgages. So here are some warning signs of this caregiver scheme. You may find financial documents in the mail for reverse mortgage that you never applied for. Your sensitive documents go missing, or you see signs that someone has used your social security number and personal information. Or a family member or caregiver is pressuring you into giving up your power of attorney rights. Number 2, complex contracts that give away your power of attorney. Your power of attorney gives you the right to use your finances as you see fit. Many reverse mortgage scammers will try to get you to sign over those rights so that they can guarantee access to the proceeds of the loan. So here are some warning signs of the power of attorney scheme. You receive financial or legal documents for a loan that you never applied for. The lender pressures or rushes you into signing a contract that you don't fully understand. Or the lender might ask you for sensitive information such as your social security number and signature, but they don't give you a contract at the end. So here's how to avoid this scam. Never sign a contract that you don't fully understand, or give out your social security number to someone that you don't know. If someone rushes you or says it's a standard contract, these could be red flags of a scam. And if someone in your family asks you to sign a power of attorney document, question their motives and seek independent legal advice. Identity thieves taking out reverse mortgages in your name. If scammers get enough of your personal information, they can impersonate you and take out a reverse mortgage in your name. So it's important to actively monitor your credit file for signs of fraud, or see if someone is trying to take out a loan in your name. High-pressure investment scams. One of the more common reverse mortgage scams occurs when fraudsters try to convince you to take out a reverse mortgage and invest in a no-risk investment or annuity. These scammers use estate planning seminars or fake info sessions to pitch their investment ideas. But in reality, the investment is a scam that comes with high management fees or doesn't yield the returns promised by the scammer. Home repair or renovation scams. Many older homeowners believe that obtaining a reverse mortgage is a good way to fund home renovations and repairs. But shady contractors have caught on to this trend and use it as an opportunity to overcharge for services or disappear once you pay them. So here's how to avoid this scam. Always get a second opinion before agreeing to any work on your home. And if a contractor claims that you're eligible for a loan or rebate for the work, check the paperwork beforehand. Misleading advertising from risky lenders. Many risky reverse mortgage lenders use misleading TV and radio ads to lure their victims. In most cases, these ads promise tax-free money or neglect to explain the risks and costs involved with taking out the reverse mortgage. So here's how to avoid this scam. Ignore ads for reverse mortgage products and speak with your financial advisor or bank instead. Mortgage payment relief scams. Many senior citizens are interested in reverse mortgages to pay off their current mortgages or healthcare debts, but scam artists prey on low-income victims with mortgage scams that are expensive or will cause them to lose their homes. So here's some warning signs of a mortgage scam relief scheme. First, a scammer claims that you can stop a foreclosure by using a reverse mortgage loan, and your contract includes an upfront, non-refundable fee to speed up the approval process. So to avoid this scam, do your research and understand the best way to pay off your current debts. So what do you do if you're the victim of a reverse mortgage scam? If you've already signed a contract and think that you've been scammed, you need to act fast. The sooner you try to reverse the transaction or report the fraud, the better chance that you have of minimizing the damage. mortgage. So you need to inform the lender that you want to cancel the loan. Then report the fraud to the lender. Contact the police, Federal Trade Commission, and FBI field offices. Place a credit freeze with all 3 credit bureaus, and sign up for identity theft protection. Aura tracks your personal information, credit and bank accounts, and home title for signs of fraud. We'll let you know in near real time if someone is trying to open new accounts in your name, take out a loan without permission, or change your deed. So keep your home equity safeguarded from scammers and head over to Aura.com and try a 14-day free trial. We'll see you next time.